Alright, this is going to be a hotel room tour. We are staying at the Hampton Inn, downtown Cedar Falls, Iowa. Staying here for one night stay on business, kind of like on a training for my new job. So here's the fire map. As you can see, we are in room 305 on the 3rd floor. This hotel has 6 floors. This is the tallest Hampton Inn I've stayed in. So let's see. People. I don't remember what that thing is called. And deadbolt. I'd say we're taken care of in the security department. So let's go in here to the bathroom. As you can see, we have our hairdryer in a bag. This Hampton Inn is actually pretty new. I think it was opened just last year. Hey. As you can see, it's got signs, special signs for COVID, and an empty drawer here. Here's the toilet. We'll go ahead and flush it. It's an American standard. Pretty good toilet. And here's the shower. This is a walk-in shower. And I don't think I've seen a setup before where we have this handle on the opposite side of the faucet. So, it looks like a modern shower head. It's got really good pressure. And I don't think I've seen a faucet for a sink like this before. Interesting. Turn off the light here, save energy. So this is the door for the closet, which also doubles as the mirror, right? Well, it also doubles as the door for the bathroom. I don't know if I like that or not. So there's the linens for the height of bed. There's the ironing board, a luggage rack, but I'm not going to use that. There's a decent amount of lighting in here, but I've seen lighting a little bit better. So here's the thermostat. It is not a, whatchamacallit those things? I can't remember, but it's pretty much a central heating and air. So, I mean, at the dead of winter, it's supposed to get really cold tonight up here. So, this is where kind of things get a little interesting. I bet this is probably what they're going for newer Hampton Inns. So, here's the bed. It's a king-size bed. And there's the window. And there's the TV. And there's the sofa. That was like in front of the sofa, but I pulled that out. So, all in all, this is kind of a unusual setup from what I'm used to. So, let's check out the bed. Pretty firm bed. I think probably the firmest I've felt for a Hampton Inn. So let's see here. We got, I think this is like comforter or duvet cover. And then the sheet. Let's take a look at the pillows. They're pretty firm. Got a good selection of pillows here. Let's take apart the bed. So we got our fitted sheet and our mattress cover, which actually this looks really nice and clean. I mean, in times during COVID, that's actually really important, is having something clean. So, all in all, I'm really impressed. I'm always impressed with Hampton Inns. There's nothing under the bed. It has kind of a fixed bed stand. So here's the table I was talking about earlier. I know I'm kind of doing housekeeping's job here. I'm only here for one night. It was a long 3-hour drive from Moline. So here's the TV. It's an LG, kind of crooked, wall mounted. There's your ice container and your water cups. And here's the fridge. This one is a Green Health. Looks like some sort of Chinese brand. It's a clean fridge. Let's take a look at the microwave. It's an RCA. Clean microwave. Make sure that there are no goodies in here in the drawer, which thankfully there are not. There's my laptop and extra room key. That's my work stuff. Hi. There's my suitcase. That's what I'm going to be using as my suitcase holder. And that is your coffee supplies. Another trash bin there. Here's the view from the room. So that right there is the Cedar River. Right now I don't think this hotel's very busy. This is a college town and they're like on winter break still. And so over there, that's the intersection. We're on a corner right there. The railroad tracks cross the river too. The railroad tracks actually go right behind the parking lot. There's another lamp. And this, you can't see it very well, but that's the hide-a-bed. This sofa, I just want to sit down here real quick, see how the sofa's a little firm for my liking. You can definitely tell this is a newer hotel because look how many like USB ports there are. Older hotels still don't have that. And there's more USB ports there. Some more here. And this is an alarm clock that I don't think I've ever seen at a Hampton Inn before. And this is your telephone. And still got a USB port there. All in all, this hotel is actually really nice. I like this place, and I actually can't wait to sleep, although I got to get up early because my training's at 8 a.m. But I guess for COVID, it is dry breakfast for cereal and stuff, so that's actually pretty good. I mean, this hotel is like a year or so old, I think. I think it opened in 2019. And then, like, they opened it, bam, COVID came. Kind of poetic. Well, anyway, I'm going to get off here, and I'm going to explore this place. One more thing. So this town is home to the University of Northern Iowa. That's actually where my dad went to college. Just a little fun fact. So, I mean, hey, my new job here took me to my dad's college town, and I'm probably going to explore the campus a little bit. Probably nothing's going to be, going on since it's a Saturday. So, anyway, I think that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and that is it.